Today, I saw an AI house on a real estate agent's page, and they were promoting it as this really cool house in Portland. And the thing is, it was clearly an AI house, and it made me think that I wanted to warn buyers. We use MLS listings, so you have to have an agent with a state license post that home. So I'm warning you about buying from for sale by owner, or seeing this really awesome listing on Facebook Marketplace, or maybe on Craigslist, and you think, hey, I don't need an agent, I can just go buy this house right from the person selling it, right? And you think, hey, that's pretty easy. Well, now you have that added scare of, is it even a real house? And there's been a lot of wire fraud in the industry for quite some time now. I warn buyers constantly. When you get an email that says wire your down payment or wire your earnest money, call me so we can make sure that that's the right place you're supposed to send your money. So the same thing can be said about buying a house online. Is it a real house? Are you sending your money to a real person or just a scammer who's going to take your savings? Contact me today, because I won't let you fall into that trap. I'll help guide you through the process. Have a great day. Enjoy the sunshine.